To send an ACH payment online, you will need to follow a series of steps that ensure a secure and efficient transaction. First, it is essential to understand what an ACH payment is. ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse, which is a network that facilitates electronic payments between banks. To initiate the process, you will need to gather the necessary information from the recipient, including their name, bank account number, and routing number. The routing number is a unique identifier for the bank and can be found on a check or by contacting the bank directly. Next, you will need to choose a method to send the ACH payment. You can use your bank's online platform, a payment processing service, or an accounting software that supports ACH payments. Each method will have its own set of instructions, but the general process remains the same. Once you have chosen your method, you will need to log into your account and navigate to the payment section. Here, you will enter the recipient's information, including their name, bank account number, and routing number. You will also need to specify the payment amount and the date you want the payment to be processed. After entering the payment details, you will need to review and confirm the transaction. This is an essential step to ensure that all the information is accurate and the payment is being sent to the correct recipient. It is also crucial to understand the ACH payment processing timeline. ACH payments are typically processed in batches, and the processing time can take several days. It is essential to plan ahead and initiate the payment early to ensure it is processed on time. In addition to understanding the processing timeline, it is also vital to be aware of the potential fees associated with ACH payments. Some banks and payment processors may charge a fee for sending or receiving ACH payments. So it is essential to check with your bank or payment processor to understand their fee structure. Finally, after confirming the transaction, you will receive a confirmation number or a receipt, which you should keep for your records. This will serve as proof of the payment and can be used to track the status of the transaction. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can efficiently and securely send an ACH payment online. Remember to always verify the recipient's information and review the payment details carefully to avoid any errors or delays.